How to fix PowerPoint's fonts not available error. So if PowerPoint is throwing a font not available when you open or save a presentation, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. We'll swap out missing fonts across all your slides, adjust font embedding settings, and bypass license restriction errors so your deck opens cleanly every time. So firstly, let me show you how to swap the missing font for a standard system font across every single slide in seconds. So open up your presentation. Let me just open up mine. After that, make sure you are on the Home tab right here in the top ribbon. Then you look over to the far right in the Editing section right here and click the small arrow or next to Replace Fonts, or just press Replace Fonts. Then in the dialog box, select the unavailable font from the Replace field right here. As you can see, I have 3 of them, so just choose yours. And just pick a click substitute like Arial or Calibri, and then Replace. Like this. Choose what you're replacing with, obviously, from this list. Next, what if the error pops up because of embedded font license restrictions when saving? So let's adjust your file options to resolve the conflicts. So just click on File, then navigate to Options. After that, you navigate to Save tab right here on the left, and scroll down to Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation section, right over here. Or if you must share custom fonts, you can tick the box, select embed all characters before clicking OK. And after that, just to apply the changes, press OK. And that is all there is to it. After doing these steps, your presentation will now save, open, and display properly without any annoying font errors popping up. If this was helpful, subscribe to the channel.